And this question is given that the temperature of 100 gram of water to be raised from 24 degrees Celsius to 90 degrees Celsius by adding steam to it. So we can just consider that we are having 100 gram of water, 100 gram of water at 24 degrees Celsius. Now our aim is to change its temperature from 24 to 90 degrees Celsius by adding steam to it. So we are adding some amount of steam. So let's say we are adding m gram of steam. So that let's say m gram of steam at 100 degrees Celsius. So that the equilibrium temperature that we are getting should be equal to 90 degrees Celsius. So our aim is to find out what about the the mass of steam required for this purpose. So we can observe that there will be a flow of heat energy from steam to water. So the temperature of this heat energy of water is going to increase. So we can write is going to gain energy, and which is equal to the amount of energy which is lost by this hot body. So we'll write energy heat gain is equal to heat loss. Now heat gain is happening to change the temperature from 124 to 90 degrees Celsius. So you can write on the left hand side this is equal to m is 100, s is 1, and delta T is nothing but the difference in temperature is 66 degrees Celsius is equal to, on the right hand side we can observe that first the steam will convert it into water. So we can write this as m into latent heat of its vaporization, which is 540, plus there is a change in temperature from 100 degrees Celsius to 90. So you can write m into S is 1, specific capacity of water, into delta T, which we can take it as nothing but a 10 from 100 to 90. So we can find out what about the value of this m over here. So you can write 66 into 100 is equal to, over here if I am taking this m as common, so you can write this as 550. So you can write the value of m will be equal to 6600 divided by 550. So you can cancel this and this, and if you are dividing by 11, we'll get as nothing but 6 divided by 60 divided by 5. So we can write this as 60 by 5, which is equal to 12.